Using solar to power a wireless doorbell system? Let's check it out. Hello and welcome back to Gears and Tech. Video doorbells are not a new thing, but the Ring doorbell system is the original video doorbell system that everybody knows, and everybody else has mimicked the Ring system in some way or another. They've been going for a long time, and one of the reasons is because of the absolutely robust install options that are available to you. Now, many of you guys that have a Ring doorbell, you know that pretty much all of them support battery backup or wired connectivity, which is great. But what do you do when you don't have the wired option available and you just can't be bothered to keep bringing your doorbell in to charge it back up? Let me demonstrate. So this doorbell is at our front door. It's working perfectly fine. And then one day you get the low battery warning. You go and find your Ring screwdriver tool. If you still know where it is, you unscrew the special security screws from the bottom and you release the doorbell from the mounting plate. The mounting plate is still at the front door and you bring your doorbell into the house. That's where you use the included USB cord to plug in your Ring doorbell and then find a USB port to plug into and charge this up. In this case, we'll plug mine into my laptop. Now the Ring doorbell is plugged in, the blue light has come on to say that it's charging, and in about 4 or 5 hours, this thing will be charged and ready to go. But what do you do while your doorbell is charging? Well, you're just gonna miss people at the door, which isn't a big deal. It's probably not a problem. But if you're waiting for that special delivery, you're gonna miss that one. And if you're not at home when the battery dies, you're gonna miss those deliveries all that day until you get home, and then you're forced into a situation where you're rummaging through your junk drawer, trying to find the tool so you can get this off, so you can get it charged, and it's just one more thing that you have to do today. But all of that can be avoided with something like this. This is a solar-powered charger specifically made to work with your Ring doorbell, but it will also support many other video doorbell systems. Today, we're gonna look at using it with our Ring doorbell because that's what we have here. If you have a different doorbell, we will talk about how it would connect up to other doorbells as well. But first thing we got to do is look at what this is and how to use it. Now, at any point during this review, if you decide that this might be the one for you, I will put a link in the description where you can pick up this exact one as well. Don't forget to check for the discount code, which I will include. So if you're getting it off of the Amazon list that we sent you, use the discount code, get a little bit of extra money off on this. So first thing we got to do is open this up. So I'm going to use my Ring doorbell tool to break this tape off here. We're just going to have a look. The packaging itself, there's nothing special about the packaging. In fact, it was wrecked a little bit because the shipping sticker was stuck on there and I wanted to peel that off, and it took some of the packaging with it. So all I know is that it says easy install, solar boost, weather resistant. On the back, there's a bunch of writing that talks about who manufactured and where it's shipped from. It's shipped from China somewhere, but obviously you just get it from Amazon. Now we'll slide this guy out. This is it here. It does come with this screwdriver, some anchors, and some screws. They look like stainless steel screws, which is actually really promising. It's got this little clip. Oh, okay. This is the doorbell charging adapter, only for Ring Video Doorbell 2020 release. Luckily, this is the Ring Video Doorbell 2020 release. That's what it says. This is only for that one. I assume that means that any other ones would have a different connector if you need it. But let's get this thing out of here and see. There's that. I just want to explore what all this is. This has, oh, that's good. It's got a template so that you know where to put it for attaching it. And it also has some instructions. That's weird. So step 1 through 2. Okay, 3, 4, 5. So maybe I'm trying to read the French version. Okay, so there's 2 instructions. This one is for Ring Video Doorbell 3, 3 Plus, and 4. And this one is for Ring Video Doorbell 2020 release. Now I have the Ring Doorbell 2020 release, and all that's gonna do is tell me how to use this adapter for the install, which I will need to use this adapter for this install. If you don't have it, then it looks like you've got just this little cord here which will screw onto the back of your doorbell, and then it'll just fit in this little slot here as you try to use it. So that's promising. Now let's explore this part a little bit more. So this, obviously, these are the solar panels here. It does have some solar panels on the side there, and it has this little wire dangling out here. Those of you most familiar, you know that it requires a 25 volt AC circuit to charge and power your doorbell. So this will take the DC solar power and convert it into the AC voltage that's required in here. Now, right off the bat, I might actually be lying to you guys. See, the doorbells are 24 volts AC. And if I look at the back of my Ring doorbell, it says connect to low voltage AC power only, 8 to 24 volts AC. That's what it says on the Ring doorbell. But on the back of this thing, it says max power 2.9 watts, max voltage 5 volts DC, max current 580 milliamp hours. So this makes me believe that this thing is only putting out 5 volts, which doesn't make a lot of sense. What my suspicion is that this rating is actually for the solar panel, which the solar panel will put out 5 volts DC. That's understandable, but they have to somehow step that up to 24 volts to charge that battery. But that's neither here nor there. The idea is you mount this on your fence, your gate, whatever. You've got this adjustable solar panel, so you can adjust it so that it sees the sun exactly how it needs to. You screw that on, and then you attach the doorbell. So let us look at attaching the doorbell. So the first thing that you're gonna do is attach the mounting plate for your Ring doorbell onto this guy. And luckily this comes with all of the screws that we're gonna need to do this. So there's one, and there is, now I'm gonna just put 2 on. Not because it's right, but because I'm just making a video for you guys to show how you would do this. So there is 2, that plate is on there. The next thing, in my case, I need to use this adapter that they sent with this. And this is gonna make it just so that this thing fits, I think. Ha ha ha! See, all these mysteries would just be solved if I just read the instructions. So much so. So here's the deal. This does put out 5 volts, as it says. And this adapter connects to this guy. It converts it into a micro USB cord that plugs into the back of the camera into the micro USB charger port. So there we go, like that. And then this wiring will just connect to that. So I'm gonna do this in the other order here. I'm going to take this guy and stick it on here after we loosen the screws. So we've loosened the screws. This will slip on here. It is marked positive and negative, so you can't screw it up. I'll show you guys in a minute. Like that. And just like that, we have the adapter plugged into this thing. This will allow us to shove this wire down here like this. And then I should be able to just plug this camera in like here. And we'll see if I've got enough light in the studio to charge this thing in any way, shape, or form. And with a little finagling, we have our Ring doorbell on just like that. Now this mounts easily to any fence post, any door, any wall, anywhere, as long as you have sunlight that hits it at some point. Now, because this has a built-in battery, and the built-in battery lasts for up to 6 months, you don't need a lot of power to recharge it. You just need sunshine sometimes to recharge the built-in battery, and then that will make this thing work. Now, let me check my Ring doorbell app. It's giving me any feedback. So it doesn't like the light in my studio. That's obviously not enough light, but the camera is working and it is powered on right now with this. So I can push that. It says that someone's at my front door, and there we go. That someone is you guys on YouTube are at my front door using my camera. Now this is quite fascinating how this thing works. And it adds a whole nother level of mounting and useful options. So for me, what am I gonna use this for? I already have a doorbell at my front door. I'm actually looking at installing this in my backyard and using it as a wireless long-range security camera that charges off of power. I've been looking for a way to get this to the back corner of my property just to keep an eye on things. If someone wanted to push the doorbell back there, I'll maybe chat with them and see what the heck they want. But this is really neat of a product, and it solves so many problems and opens up so many more options. You could use this for security really anywhere as long as your Wi-Fi reaches there. If your Wi-Fi doesn't reach there, I've got a different video on this channel showing you how to install an outdoor Wi-Fi antenna with range extender so that you can get your Wi-Fi to reach from your house to a long range away. So you can check out that video to see how we accomplished that. Again, if you're looking for one of these, I will put a link in the description where you can grab either the solar panel system or a Ring camera for yourself. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. We hope you enjoy the content in this video, and we'd love to have you come back. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And for those subscribers who are looking for that extra special thing that you can do to support this channel, consider joining our members group. That's where we're building this community, the Gears and Tech community, where we can all enjoy content together. You'll get special perks, which we'd love for you to check out by clicking the link down below. For those of you who are just happy to watch the video, that's okay too. You can check out some of our other content right over here, where we've got some previous videos that have already been uploaded and enjoyed by many of our viewers already. We do hope to see you again. This has been Gears and Tech. Have a great day.